All kids like climbing trees and be little monkeys. I think I haven't changed since then. Have you ever asked yourself, what if I'm about to fall off a cliff? Would I be able to climb up? I discovered that there is one exercise called muscle up, where you are supposed to hang from a bar, then rising yourself all the way up, executing simultaneously a pull-up and a dip. If I want to survive falling from the top of a mountain, I must learn this move. This is the story of how I learned muscle ups. Let's go back to 2019. The first challenge was to find a place where I can practice almost daily.
I must admit, I can't explain any of these thoughts racing through my brain is true. Baby, I'm howling for you. But there's something wrong with this plot. The actors here, they have not got a clue. Baby, I'm howling for you. Da 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 da
Even though I never tried muscle ups before, I believe my breakdancing background helped me a lot. I was able to lift myself up with very bad form, but still. I tried a few more times, but I was really not able to lift myself up with both arms at the same time. Then I had an idea. Since the bar is kinda low, why shouldn't I help myself going up with a small jump? I could easily do it. So the idea was to keep practicing like that and slowly remove the jump. I started watching tutorials, but nobody explained the muscle up with the jumping method. So I was not really sure if it would work. Most people would say that if I'm able to do 10 pull-ups and at least 10 straight bar dips, I would have enough strength to learn muscle ups, and it's all a matter of technique. So I tested my basics. I only needed to focus on the correct technique, using a bit of swing to have the momentum to lift myself over the bar, and rotate the wrists quickly to be ready to execute the dip. It's crucial to find the right timing. At first I was not really able to pull myself at the perfect moment. I was waiting too long or too little, but there is one specific moment where you have more momentum and you should start pulling up. It was harder than I expected. All these fails made me ask myself if maybe I wasn't strong enough and I should work on doing more pull-ups and dips first. But a little voice inside my head kept telling me, just keep trying it and you will figure out the right timing. I had to turn in full training mode, cut my hair and become a Shaolin ninja monk. My strategy to learn muscle up from now on would have been 1. Keep executing the jumping method. I knew nobody used it in the tutorials I had seen, but I was sure it would eventually work. 2. Focusing on very slow negatives, meaning a muscle up starting from the top and going down as slow as possible. In this way I would also train the reverse movement.
You say, what did you do with him today? And sniffed me out like I was Tanqueray. 'Cause you're my fella, my guy. Hand me your Stella and fly. By the time I'm out the door, you tear a man down like Roger Moore. I cheated myself like I knew I would. I told you I was trouble. You know that I'm no good.
And finally, it took around 1 month. The form was still bad, and I could only do 1 muscle up for the first days. But in the following sessions, I figured out how to do multiple ones, still with a bad form, and build up to 3 in a row. I wanted to be able to do at least 5 muscle ups, and focus on the technique only after reaching this goal. It took around 2 months to make the form cleaner, and learn more than 5 repetitions. I had the reassurance that if you can do 10 pull-ups and straight bar dips, it's really just a matter of technique and timing when learning muscle ups. But now the real test. Could I really climb and save myself from a free fall now that I learned the muscle up? I didn't really care anymore. I was just happy I had learned a new skill. I realized it's true when they say it's not really about the end goal, but it's all about enjoying the process or learning from it. And yeah, I did.